Imagine waking up on January 1st, 2050. Your AI assistant has already planned your entire day. Breakfast was made by a robot. Your doctor is artificial intelligence. Your car has no steering wheel. And somewhere across the planet, an exact digital copy of someone's mind is having a conversation after its human creator has died. This sounds like science fiction, but most of this is already being worked on today. Labs, companies, and governments are already building pieces of this future in real time, each trying to stay ahead in a race that doesn't really have a finish line. The question isn't whether technology will evolve. It's how far it will change us. Because for the first time in history, we aren't just building better tools. We're building systems that could redefine what it means to be human. Systems that don't just extend ability, but reshape identity, work, health, memory itself, and even how consciousness might be understood. And in some cases, blur the boundary between human thought and machine processing entirely. What once took decades to develop is now happening in years. And what feels distant today may already be closer than it seems. Entire industries are shifting before most people even notice. And the speed of change is still accelerating beneath the surface. What seems experimental now could quietly become everyday life sooner than expected. The real transformation may not be dramatic at first, but gradual, almost invisible at the beginning, then suddenly irreversible. Technology doesn't arrive all at once, it compounds. Today, we're counting down 10 technologies that could transform civilization by 2050. Let's begin. Number 10, brain-to-computer interfaces. Imagine sending a message without a device. No keyboard, no voice, just thought. Some people with paralysis already control computers using thought alone. But that's still early-stage technology. Right now, it's mostly medical and experimental. In the future, it could become mainstream communication infrastructure. By 2050, this could expand into everyday communication. Silent conversations, direct device control, even learning through experience like data transfer. Skills could be transmitted in ways we don't fully understand yet. But if technology can read thoughts and interpret intent, who controls that data? And when does thought stop being private? Number 9, AI doctors. AI already reads scans and supports diagnosis, processes medical data faster than any human. By 2050, it may become the first point of contact in healthcare. Not replacing doctors, but guiding every stage of care. Faster diagnosis, more accurate predictions, earlier detection of disease, and personalized treatment plans based on global data. But this creates a deeper issue. If AI makes a mistake, who is responsible? The doctor, the hospital, or the system itself? Number 8, humanoid robots. Robots are moving from factories into human environments. Construction, logistics, healthcare, homes. They can work longer, lift more, and handle danger safely. This doesn't just replace tasks. It reshapes labor itself. Not because humans stop working, but because machines are more consistent, scalable, and reliable in specific roles. Entire job categories may shift or disappear faster than expected. Number 7, quantum computing. Quantum computers don't just get faster. They solve problems in entirely different ways, using quantum states to explore massive possibilities at once. This could transform drug discovery, logistics, and material science. But it also threatens encryption systems that secure global data, finance, communication, security. Entire infrastructures depend on today's cryptography. If quantum computing scales, it won't just improve computing, it will rewrite it. Number 6, fusion energy. Scientists are trying to recreate the sun. Fusion produces energy by combining atoms. If it works at scale, everything changes. Energy is the foundation of civilization. Cheap, abundant power transforms everything. Transport, industry, AI systems, space exploration. Fusion removes limits entirely. And when energy stops being scarce, innovation stops being constrained. Number 5, genetic engineering. We are learning to edit life at the DNA level. Today it treats disease. By 2050, it could go further. Prevent illness before birth, repair organs, customize treatment to biology, and possibly extend healthy lifespan. But the question becomes deeper. Once you can edit life, you're not just treating it anymore, you're shaping it. Number 4, medical nanotechnology. Microscopic machines moving through the bloodstream, detecting disease early, targeting harmful cells directly, delivering treatment precisely where needed. Medicine shifts from broad intervention to hyper-precision. Reactive care becomes proactive, and diseases could be stopped before they fully develop. Number 3, space cities. Earth may not remain our only home. By 2050, orbital stations or lunar bases could support long-term human life. People living and working beyond Earth for months or years at a time. New industries will form off-world. Mining, research, manufacturing, a shift from exploration to settlement. The first step toward a multi-world civilization. Number 2, digital human copies. AI systems already mimic human behavior. Now imagine that scaled to a person. A system trained on your voice, writing, memories, decisions, and habits. Speaks like you, acts like you, feels familiar, even after death, could still interact with others, continuing conversations, stories, and presence in a digital form. But is it you, or just a reflection? Number 1, artificial general intelligence. At the core of everything is intelligence. Today's AI is narrow. AGI would learn across domains, adapt to new environments, and reason more like humans but potentially beyond them. Could accelerate discovery across every field. Medicine, energy, engineering, physics. But it also brings uncertainty, because no one knows how it will evolve, or how fast it could improve. We can't predict the future. Some technologies will arrive early. Some take decades. Some may never happen. But the direction is clear. Technology is becoming more powerful and more connected. The future won't just be smarter machines. It will be how we adapt to them. Because in the end, the question isn't whether the future is coming. It's what we do with it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Beyond AI. Because tomorrow is already being built today.